Let's learn how to stimulate the vagus nerve using the Rezzimax Tuner Pro. On its first use, make sure it is fully charged. The light will be green. Press the power button to turn it on. Press the middle algorithm button until it turns blue. This turns on an automatic calming cycle that will make the device vibrate, starting low, slowly transitioning to high, and then back down to low. Place the device gently behind your neck and back, with the back of the device facing toward you. The tongs will gently rest on your neck, where there are two major muscle groups that impact the vagus nerve functionality. Using your Rezzimax contoured pillow, rest your head back and relax. The Rezzimax Tuner Pro will vibrate in a 5-minute cycle. This will begin stimulating the vagus nerve. This process can also be enhanced if you hum with the device's vibration. It is also very helpful if you think of things you are grateful for. After the cycle is complete, you will hear or feel the device buzz twice rapidly. You are welcome to go through the cycle more than once. As you stimulate the vagus nerve, it will start calming down the fight or flight response in your body and diminish the pain pathways causing pain. Remove the device from your neck and press the power button to turn off the blue cycle. Press the power button again to turn it on manual mode. Using the top button, you can increase the strength of the resonance up to 10 levels. If level 1 is too powerful, you can put the device in its gentle setting by pressing these two buttons. Go up to the highest tolerable level. You can place the device on different areas of your body of your choosing. You can use the tongs, the top ridge, the pressure point attachment, the soft brain attachment, or scrape with the wings. Apply the device to key pressure points on your body, as shown in our videos. Key areas include back of neck, the forehead, top of head, eyebrows, top of nose, inside the mouth, hands, and feet. If you're experiencing migraine headaches, there is a specific protocol you can follow. Dozens of protocols exist to help guide you on your journey to treat your own pain from the comfort of your own home. The device also has a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out and take the time needed to see how it can work for you. Healing and pain relief can take time, so we recommend consistently practicing Rezzimax techniques at least 15 minutes a day. While many experience significant pain reduction within days or weeks, it takes longer for those experiencing years of chronic disease. Every person responds differently to certain pressure points and resonance levels and techniques, so you will have to experiment and see what works for you. Feel free to reach out to customer support for any questions you may have. We would be happy to help. Check out our YouTube channel to discover more Rezzimax therapy techniques and testimonials. And as always, consult with your medical doctor or physician to see if vagus nerve stimulation is right for you. Thank you for your time, and good luck on your journey of healing. You can help your body heal itself with the proper tools and mindset. We wish you and your loved ones the best, and hope you find less pain, more joy, and more fulfillment in your life.